bus. I've got it just attached to my lapel and I'm not speaking particularly loudly. Turn the noise cancelling on. It's quite good because you can see if it's on. Here we are at the river with noise cancelling off. And here we are at the river with noise cancelling on. So this is quite a noisy part of the river with noise cancelling off. And this is quite a noisy part of the river with noise cancelling on. Here I can feel some wind on my face, so that's noise cancelling off. And that's noise cancelling back on again. Got the mic switched on, noise cancelling and the muff on. Let's see how it's doing. Right, that's with noise cancelling off. That's with it on. And that's with it off.